This video is meant for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors, so make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Always consult a licensed financial professional for advice on taxes, savings, or investments. Welcome back to Compound Money, where small accounts become big opportunities. Today, we're diving into advanced tactics for investors starting with low income or small portfolios. If you've got $100, $500, or even just $20 to invest, this video is for you. First up, fractional shares and DRIPS. Use platforms that let you buy partial shares of big companies and reinvest dividends automatically. It's slow, but powerful. Check out The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. Next, high conviction concentration. With small accounts, diversification can dilute returns. Focus on 1 to 3 high-quality stocks or ETFs. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch teaches how to spot winners early. Third, swing trading with tight risk controls. Learn technical setups like breakouts and support zones. Use stop losses religiously. For this, How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill is a must-read. Fourth, options for leverage. Small accounts can benefit from defined risk strategies like vertical spreads, but tread carefully. Options as a Strategic Investment by Lawrence McMillan is your Bible here. Fifth, side hustle investing. Turn gig income into monthly deposits. Automate it. The Psychology of Money by Housel will reshape how you think about wealth. Finally, mindset and patience. Small accounts grow through consistency, not luck. Track your progress, stay curious, and never chase hype. It's not about how much you start with. It's how long you stay in the game. Subscribe for more smart money moves. This is Compound Money, where every dollar counts.